In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide any token in the Phantom app. If you've ever wanted to simplify your wallet view or just need to tidy things up, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Phantom app. Once you have it open, make sure to log into your account. Logging in is essential as this allows you to access all your tokens and manage them effectively. After logging in, you'll be directed to your home page. Here, you can view your account balance, all available tokens, and the features Phantom offers like sending, receiving, swapping, and buying tokens. Take a closer look at your home page, where you'll see various tokens displayed. If you find that the list is a bit overwhelming or cluttered, Phantom provides an easy way to streamline what you see. Let's say you want to hide a specific token or even multiple tokens. Look for the three dots, which are your gateway to more options. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu. Choose Manage Tokens from this list. Now you should see a complete list of all your tokens. This is like having a control center for your wallet. To hide a token, simply locate it in the list and click on the toggle button. A quick click will deactivate the token's visibility on your home page. After toggling off the tokens you wish to hide, return to your home page. You'll notice that those hidden tokens are no longer visible, creating a cleaner, more focused view. In this example, let's say only your Solana tokens remain visible. And that's it. That's how you hide tokens in the Phantom app. The process is not only simple, but also reversible. If at any point you wish to bring back the visibility of the hidden tokens, just repeat the process. Go back to the Manage Tokens section, find the tokens you previously hid, and toggle them back on. This flexibility allows you to customize your viewing experience based on your preferences or needs at any time. Managing your tokens efficiently can make a big difference in how you interact with your digital assets daily. This feature is perfectly designed, providing both control and simplicity. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I hope you found the information helpful.